Hey lovelies, how are you doing? It has been some quite intense weeks in the last couple of weeks. I don't know if you experienced that as well or not. And this is the reason for this video, because I would like to share two methods how you can very easily let go of emotions, yeah? And of course, if emotions like come up of deepest sadness and pain, in that case, the best thing to do is actually to accept that, like to really say, yes, I am sad, and then just cry as much as you can, really dive deep into the emotion, let it all out, because that is the best way to really release that. But sometimes there are days where we're not sure what's going on, and I don't know, I feel weird and I don't know what's going on and what's happening. Or maybe you will have some things that might be bothering you or that might be weighing you down. And in that case, a very effective method is to simply take a shower and imagine that while taking a shower, that you're taking a shower in a rainbow, that the water is like a rainbow and it is cleansing your whole body. Yeah, so really also while taking a shower in the rainbow, set the intention that this rainbow shower is cleansing every cell of your body, is cleansing all your chakras, is cleansing also even your aura field around you. And imagine or fantasize that all your emotions, everything that might be weighing you down, is being washed out of your system and is flowing down into your shower and is, like away out of your whole system. And what is also very effective is, and if you're not into chakras or aura fields, it doesn't matter, it's also enough if you simply imagine that this rainbow shower is showering every cell of your body. And what is also very effective as well is that you imagine or fantasize that every cell of your body is glowing and shining in a rainbow colored light, all with this big smile on their faces. Give it a try, you will see. And a very good thing is actually to do that every morning when you wake up and you take a shower, to imagine that you're taking a shower, a rainbow shower, because you will see your day will turn out to be just really beautiful and nice. Yeah. So that is method number one, taking a rainbow shower, and very important not to forget to set the intention that the rainbow is cleansing you. And method number two is, for that you need to go outside, find yourself a big tree, and okay, if there are no big trees, then okay, a small one will do as well. But find yourself a tree, stand in front of the tree, make sure you're grounded. And the quickest and easiest way to be grounded is by simply concentrating on your feet. Yeah, focus on your feet, concentrate on your feet, feel the connection down to the ground, and then you might feel a tingling sensation at the soles of your feet. And if you do so, that is a good sign, because that means you're grounded. And once you're grounded, simply place both hands on the tree trunk, and then here as well, set the intention that all the emotions, everything that's weighing you down, that's bothering you, all these weird emotions even maybe, they are flowing out of your body, in over your arms, into your hands, into the tree trunk, and from there down into the ground. And you will see, give it a try, the effect is just amazing. Yeah. And oh yeah, and one more thing, but for that you will need to be somewhere close by a beach. That is also very, very good cleansing, is the salt water. So by taking a swim in the salt water, and again here as well, set the intention that have this salt water cleanse your whole body, your whole everything, and have the intention that all the emotions flow out into the sea. And the salt water even is cleansing every cell of your body, even though you have your skin around, and yeah, but still simply by setting the intention, the salt water is cleansing every cell of your body. You will see also here, it is just amazing how you will feel afterwards. Yeah, so these are the techniques, the methods, taking a shower in the rainbow, connecting to the tree and let it all flow into the tree trunk, down into the ground, or if you're at the beach, take a swim in the salt water. Right. If you've experienced any of these methods, then please do comment in the comment section below. I'm always very happy to find out about your experiences. And if you like this video, you can support me by leaving a like. I'm very happy for that. Thank you for watching and have a beautiful day.